If you're considering MyChurchManager for your church, here are 12 important things you need to know before buying, especially if you're comparing it to other church management software options. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know whether it's the right choice for you. First up, MyChurchManager offers core features like member management, event scheduling, and donation tracking, which are similar to most competitors. But what sets it apart is its clean and intuitive interface, which some others, like Planning Center, have struggled with. The user experience is generally more streamlined here, making it easy to set up and use with minimal training. Next thing to know, it's cloud-based, so your church's data is accessible from anywhere. This is common in the market, but MyChurchManager ensures secure, encrypted data storage, which is vital when dealing with sensitive member and financial information. That being said, some larger platforms offer better data redundancy, which might be important if your church needs maximum security. The third thing is that it allows for custom fields, giving you flexibility in tracking various aspects of church life, like ministries or volunteer schedules. Competitors often have a more rigid structure, so if customization is key for you, this could be a selling point. However, you'll want to ensure that it's not too complex for your needs, as simpler setups might be easier to manage. The fourth thing you need to know is about integrations. While MyChurchManager does offer integrations with payment gateways and accounting systems, it doesn't have as many third-party integrations as software like ChurchTrack or Breeze. If you rely on a lot of external tools, this could be a limitation. Next, MyChurchManager offers online giving features that are simple to set up, but some users report transaction fees that are a bit higher than competitors like Tithe.li or PushPay. This can add up depending on your church's size, so it's worth evaluating how much you'd pay in fees over time. The sixth thing, MyChurchManager's reporting features are solid, but might not be as advanced as some of its competitors. You'll get basic insights into attendance, giving, and more. But if you need deep, customizable reports, you might find tools like ACS Technologies or Planning Center to be more robust. The seventh point to consider is its mobile app. While the app lets your members check schedules and give donations on the go, some users say it can be slow or clunky at times. Competitors like Breeze have been praised for their smoother mobile apps, so if your congregation values an excellent mobile experience, this could be an area of concern. Next, MyChurchManager offers email communication tools, which are essential for keeping your congregation informed. These are decent, but other platforms like Flocknote focus solely on church communications, providing more advanced features like SMS and voice messaging. The ninth thing is its customer support. MyChurchManager has a solid reputation for being responsive, but it may not offer 24/7 support like some of its larger competitors. If you're in need of immediate assistance at all hours, you may want to consider platforms that offer around-the-clock help. The 10th point, MyChurchManager's pricing is competitive, especially for smaller churches. However, as your church grows and needs more advanced features or larger user limits, you might find the cost increases quickly. Larger platforms like Planning Center or Church Community Builder offer scalable pricing options that may be more economical as your church expands. The 11th thing to know is about the learning curve. MyChurchManager prides itself on being user-friendly, but some churches report a small learning curve, especially when it comes to advanced features like managing volunteers or configuring advanced giving options. If ease of use is your top priority, you may want to try a trial before fully committing. And the 12th and final thing, MyChurchManager offers a free trial, which is great for testing out the software before buying. While it's not the most feature-packed free trial out there, it does give you a solid sense of what the platform can do. So, is MyChurchManager a good option? Yes, for smaller to mid-sized churches looking for a simple, cost-effective solution. But if you're looking for more advanced features, deeper integrations, or better mobile options, you might want to explore alternatives. Our recommended solution offers a free trial, and it's worth checking out if you want something a bit more feature-rich and tailored to your needs.